We're almost there.
Put me down. Put me down for a second.
Dutch, medkit.
What's wrong with him?
He's got a punctured lung. Can't breathe. Better?
Now what?
Trains ran underground up to the old city. We're gonna find one of the tunnels. Walk on out of here.
You're gonna carry me all the way, sweetheart?
Was planning on it, but now that you're feeling better... Get the door!
Gunny, you're gonna want to see this.
This means we're screwed, right? Not yet. Wait here. We're gonna steal that ride. It's landing. Now's our chance. Mickey, you're with me.
Gunny, I can fly a Pelican, but a Phantom? It's been years since I even ran a simulation.
Well, let's see what you remember, Trooper. Move!
We have a situation. Headshot! You damn folks! Look out, Fancy! Gunny, more of those floating squids. Should we smoke them?
They're between us and that Phantom. What do you think? Cover me! Reloading!
Ow! Phantom inbound! You're killing us with that turret!
Grenade out!
There he is!
I'll be right there.
Boom! Back your head!
Get the others! We'll get you a number!
Changing mags! Go, Mickey! Up the lift! Kill the pilots!
Here goes nothing! Cabin secure. Flight controls read green across the board. Well, purple. But she's good to go, I think. On my way!
That's the way we're headed. Take him out.
Gonna be a tight squeeze.
Easy peasy.
Well, look at that. I think we found us a squid house.
Give me an angle. I'm gonna burn it to the ground. That's right, you damn aliens. Doesn't feel so good, does it?
Well, like the good book says, payback's a bitch.
I don't think it actually says that, Doc.
I'm paraphrasing, you heathen.
Damn! Covenant must have blocked the door to the next area. I see an override switch, Gunny. Hang on, I'll set a beacon.
From me to you.
We're stuck here until you open that door, Gunny.
Gunny, get out of your banshee and hit the switch.
It'll kill us in...
Door's open. I'll go first.
Roger that. Follow your lead.
Where's my last bag? Hoorah! Swap it out, Mags.
Gunny, unless you plan to walk on water, you're gonna need a banshee.
I'll head through on foot, see if I can find a workaround inside the tunnel. Shut that crazy mouth of yours right now.
Take cover! Watch for shrapnel!
Reloading!
Feel yourself! I will tear your flesh from your bones! I think we could this
You're mine!
Gunny, check the far end of the tunnel. Might be a backup generator. That did it! Door's open.
Troopers, I got bad news.
Oh, what? You really are gonna make us walk out of this city?
We got a scarab right by our exit.
This is the best mission ever. Get ready, this won't be easy.
Down! All right! Change your mag! Keep her steady, Mickey. You doing okay?
Just glad we didn't go with your first plan. Look at those tunnels. Ones that aren't flooded are probably packed with buggers. Hell, I wouldn't go down there even if you ordered me to.
Come on, Veronica. What could be more important than that carrier?
My orders. And Buck, call me Captain.
Mickey, turn around. Find a safe place to set us down.
What? Why?
I lost something. Now I know where to find her.